Lesson 14, reading practice number 4. Dear Mr. Torres, one of your former employees, Mr. James Parker, has applied for a position with our company, the Settle Credit Corporation, and has given you as a character and business reference, period. I hope you will take a few moments to fill out the enclosed form and return it to us. Paragraph. We would like to know specifically if Mr. Parker is a conscientious, efficient, and dependable person you can handle his own work without direct supervision, period. In addition, we would like to know if he would be able to work effectively with difficult credit customers. Paragraph. Any information you wish to give us will be appreciated, Mr. Torres, period. If we can ever extend a similar service to you, we will be more than happy to do so, period. Thank you for your help, We appreciate it very much, period. Very truly yours, Reading practice number 5. Dear Mr. Foreman, Miss Mary Moore, who formerly worked for your company, has applied for the position of supervisor in our purchasing department, period. We are seriously considering hiring Miss Moore, but before we do, we would like to have your frank opinion of her work, period. We need a person who has initiative and who can accept responsibility. Paragraph. Please fill out the enclosed personnel reference form, It will take only a moment of your time, period. If you prefer to speak with me personally, please call 555-1798, period. I look forward to hear from you, period. Yours sincerely, Reading practice number 6. Dear Mr. White, your letter asking for a personal reference for Miss Mary Moore arrived today, period. Miss Moore worked for me only a short time, semicolon. She was a supervisor in our manufacturing department, paragraph. However, she did not like the climate in this area, semicolon. She wanted to relocate to a warmer state, period. She left after only a few months to pursue a position in the purchasing department of firm in Florida, paragraph. During the time Miss Moore was with us, she seemed to be well liked by those who work with her, period. However, I never had an opportunity to observe her work directly, period. Perhaps you will be able to get a more complete reference from her most recent employer, period. Yours very truly,